So we've got 3 cups of cooked rice. Now, if you're regular to the show, you know what I'm about to say. Cold cooked rice is way better for fried rice than hot or warm. That was made yesterday, been in the refrigerator. The selection of vegetables is up to you. I'm using 4 vegetables: broccoli, cauliflower, about 2 cups each, and bell peppers and zucchini or courgettes, whatever you want to call them, cup each. Half a cup of onion. In there I've got a teaspoon each. Salt, pepper, chilli, coriander, cumin, and turmeric. 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, tablespoon ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2. Let's get going. Okay, so you're gonna need a kind of wok-y type thing that I've got, or a frying pan or something. In there I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but you could use a different oil if you want. In goes those cumin seeds and the onion. We're on an above medium heat, quite a high heat. I've just put that on. I'll be back in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, beautiful. Next up, I'm gonna add my cauliflower and my broccoli. They're basically my hardest vegetables that I've got. If you're putting carrots in or something like that, celery, you wanna be getting that in now as well, you know? Mushrooms, for example, will go in last. We're just gonna go for 2 more minutes just to get that going. Stir frying this around. Fantastic. We're now going to put in the ginger garlic paste. Like I said, it's a 50-50 mix of the 2. You can buy it in, well, you'll buy it in every Asian store. You can make it yourself like we do. I use a lot of it here, like tons of it. So I make my own one. Then we're going to add our other vegetables. There's the zucchini, there's the bell peppers. Again, high heat. Let's just go for another 2 minutes, but keep it moving constantly now because you've put the ginger garlic paste in, otherwise it will burn. Okay, let's just take a look, shall we? Teaspoon each, salt, pepper, coriander, chilli, turmeric, and cumin. If you want, just put some salt and pepper in there, and some curry powder that you might have. I've just gone for the sort of individual spices there, which I think is better, but you could just pop a curry powder in that. Okay, rice time. So 3 cups of rice, cold cooked rice. You can see that it's nice and fluffy like that. Once it gets cold, it kind of absorbs any extra water it has on it. And this is quite vegetable heavy. You might want to put a little bit more rice in. Now we actually do need to cook our rice, fry it. So we're going to go for about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. If I get a little bit of browning on that rice, I'm happy. I think that gives it a lovely flavour. You can hear that rice frying, I hope. That's beautiful. Off goes the heat. A couple of things I didn't show you. We're going to put in some cilantro or coriander and some fresh chilli. Both optional. Give that a mix. Job done. Beautiful. Well done, everyone. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.